Hey guys, today we're working a 2016 Chevy Cruze. It's a 1.4 liter engine. We have two problems: the clicking noise from the engine and the code P0496. So as you can hear that, so one part will repair two problems, and it's a really big help for you because most of the time that will help you. So now you can hear this clicking noise coming out of this area somewhere. So first of all, I was thinking about injectors, which is located down here. There's 4 on this engine. So then I got a tool actually. It's a stethoscope. You can get it in any auto parts store. So you connect it to your ears, and then you can listen to any part that the sound coming from. So I was listening on all the injectors and everything, but injectors are good. Everything is good inside the engine. So I end up with this part, which is it's a purge canister valve. So the way you want to test it out as well, you can just disconnect it. Let me put my light here. Over here. Disconnect the connection. So there's a red thing. You want to pull it out like this. And then there's a little tab. Just press and pull. 1 second. See? The clicking noise is gone. So now we are sure that this part have to be replaced. And also it was giving me a code, as I told you, P0496. It's a evap code. So now we'll show you how to replace it. It's a quick process. So you get rid of two problems, so the clicking noise and the P0496. So now what you want to start with, you're gonna disconnect this air connection. So there's 2 taps over here on the front and the back. Just press both and take it out. So we got this one, and then we already got this power connection out. Now we're gonna disconnect another air hose. So what we wanna do, just unclick on both sides this red pins and pull it out. It's kind of hard with one hand, but I will do it. So you got this out. Now just pull this whole part, this valve, out this place. So we got it removed, and we're gonna install a new one. It's gonna be alright. I got this new part from Advanced Auto Parts store. Cost me about $60. And now we're gonna install it now. So the same way, make sure we have a rubber is there inside this part. We're gonna click it back here first. So it's in place right now. Then click this hose connection back. Make sure it's in place. Once it's clicked, it's in there. Now this one goes back like this. Make sure it's all the way in. Then click this pin back like this. And now this connection as well. Clicked. That tab back like this. It's all fixed. And now we're gonna start this car and listen to make sure there's no clicking noise, and make sure we have no codes. Now we start. No check engine light, but I will check the codes. I will scan the OBD one once again later, make sure we have no codes, but I'm sure it's fixed. And as you can hear, we have no clicking noise, which is great. The engine works as it should. Please subscribe, like this video, and share. I will see you next video. Thank you.